Pescatarians, rejoice. This is your Christmas. Hey folks, I'm Lynn Bloor from linsfood.com and Singaporean Malaysian recipes.com. How about a 3-fish roast for pescatarians and non-pescatarians alike? This recipe is from my new cookbook, Christmas Without Borders, a multicultural celebration. The way my family and I observe Christmas, Easter, and the odd other festive occasion. It's a 3-fish roast. So what are the 3 fish or seafood really? We've got 2 sides of salmon, we've got smoked haddock, and then we've got prawns, shrimp. And we've also got sliced boiled eggs. Lightly flavored with some crème fraîche, mustard, some herbs, salt, pepper, and that's about it. There are a few short steps to it. We poach the haddock, we lightly fry the prawns, and then we slather the salmon sides with our crème fraîche and mustard, and that's it. We start layering, place the second side on, tie it, roast it for 35 to 45 minutes, 35 for a lightly cooked salmon, 45 well done, and that's it. Leave it to rest for a short while and serve it as it is, or I give you a light lemon butter sauce. All you need is a little drizzle and it makes all the difference. That's it. You'll find the link to my new cookbook, Christmas Without Borders, below this video. You can purchase it on Amazon. 50% of proceeds will be going to UNRWA. What do you think? Doable, right? Make it this Christmas or make it for any dinner. You know what? If you don't want to do a whole salmon side, you can even cook it with half a salmon side or even smaller. The filling will naturally not stay packed inside as well, but you'll still get the whole, enjoy the whole flavour. Fish roast recipes found in my new cookbook, Christmas Without Borders. Get it on Amazon now and tell me what you think about it. I shall see you guys real soon.